Here's the homework help video for Physics Homework 2.4. I'm going to do 4 different problems, but I'm going to do 1, 2, 4, and 6 here. 1, 2, 4, and 6. Number 1, we're talking about Billy, a mountain goat, and he's climbing his slope. A rock comes down from a ledge 40 meters above him, and it asks how fast is the rock traveling when it passes Billy. The things that we know here are delta D, which is 40.0 meters. We know the acceleration, which is 10 meters per second squared. And we know the initial velocity, which is 0 because it's falling. It's been dropped from somewhere. The equation that we'll want to use here is VF squared equals VI squared plus 2A delta D. If we look at that, we're looking for the final velocity, so we can plug in everything really nicely, and VI squared, or V naught squared, cancels out because it's 0. So we get VF squared equals 2 times 10 meters per second squared times 40.0 meters. When we multiply these three things together, we get VF squared equals 800 meters squared per second squared. And then if we go ahead and square root that, we'll get our answer, which is VF equals 28.3 meters per second. That should be your answer for number 1. For number 2, we're looking at a little bit different scenario here. It just asks us how long Tina, a ballerina, is in the air when she leaps straight up with a speed of 1.8 meters per second. So this is number 2, and her speed here is 1.8 meters per second. We're looking for delta T. We know her acceleration equals 10 meters per second squared, and I'm going to put a down arrow there because that's important on this problem. And then we know that her velocity at the top of her swing is 0. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this out. I'm going to draw her arc here, and we'll go ahead and put V equals 1.8 meters per second.